Hi students, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to turn in your LiveBinder. When you get to the module where you turn in your LiveBinder, you'll come to a page that looks like this, and it says click the button labeled Submit Assignment to submit the link to your copy of the LiveBinder Google Doc. So first of all, you need a copy of the LiveBinder Google Doc, and then that's what you're going to put the link to your LiveBinder in, and then you'll come over here and submit it. So if you never made a copy of that LiveBinder Google Doc, I'll show you where you can find it. Go to Assignments, and then go to the module where we started the LiveBinder. Here is that Google Doc. Now you may have made a copy of this when you started that module, and if so, then it would be in your LiveBinder. But I'll show you how to do step one again in case you didn't do it the first time. So first of all, make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account. I can see that I'm logged in up here. On this doc, click on File, Make a Copy. And then in the name blank, we're going to get rid of copy of, and then give it your last name first initial. In this example, I'll pretend to be Justin Timberlake, so I'm Timberlake J. And then I could save this to the correct folder of whichever class I'm in. So now I can see that this is my copy because it has my last name first initial on it. I'm going to scroll down here to the box that says important to paste the link to your LiveBinder here. I'll go to my LiveBinder, click Share, copy where it says Link to Binder, paste that into my Google Doc, and then if I go ahead and press the spacebar, then it will automatically hyperlink that URL for me. Notice here I've got some directions for you. They say, after pasting your LiveBinder link above, scroll down and follow the directions at the very bottom of this doc to see how to submit it to Schoology and LiveText. So we're going to scroll past the rubric, and we'll come down to the directions to share this document. Click on Share in the upper right corner, and then click on Get Shareable Link. Make sure that it shows anyone with the link can edit. Here's Get Shareable Link. Change Can View to Can Edit. Then we're going to click Copy Link. And done. Now immediately proceed to the directions below for submitting your assignment. To submit your assignment to Schoology, log into Schoology, click on Courses, access the correct module for this section of the class. It happened to be Module 7, but do take note that I teach multiple sections of this course. Sometimes it's taught in an 8-week format, sometimes a 5-week format, sometimes a full semester. So even though this says click the Module 7 link, it may not be Module 7 on your copy of the course. But just go to the module where it says LiveBinder Turn In. So for this particular course, it is Module 7, LiveBinder Turn In. And now we're going to click on Submit Assignment. We're going to click on Create. Click on the icon that looks like chain links, and when you hover over it, it says Link. Paste in the link, give it the title of your last name first initial, and then let's see, how did I want that named? And just the word LiveBinder. Okay. Click Insert, and then click on Submit. And Schoology even shows you that the assignment was submitted. Now let's go back to the Google Doc, and here I have highlighted to submit your assignment to LiveText. Since this is also your key assessment, follow these directions. So on this document, you're going to click File, Download As, a PDF document, and then you're going to log into LiveText. I actually can't show you what to do next because I don't have a student account on LiveText. I only have an instructor account, but I do know exactly the steps to take because I had a student volunteer to log into her account so that I could see exactly what buttons to click on, and so I wrote all those out here so you can follow these directions once you get logged into LiveText, and then you'll submit this document as a PDF. So those are the directions for how to turn in your LiveBinder.